Polycom VVX 300 IP phone. The VVX 300 is a powerful entry-level business phone. It is ideal for the cubicle workers who handle a low to moderate level of calls. This phone features 6 lines and is known for being a best-in-class desktop unified communications enhancer. This phone allows for easy deployment and administration with Polycom zero-touch provisioning and web-based configuration. Included with the Polycom VVX 300 is the phone, base, handset cord, and line cord. At Atlas Phones, you can purchase the Polycom 300 new or like new. Our like new phones are refurbished, giving you a great quality product for an even better price. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranties available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.